Schedule a ride on us in the latest Chevrolet Silverado right now. We're the Dallas, Texas headquarters. We are experts in new and pre-owned Chevrolet cars, trucks, and SUVs in the Dallas area. We also serve all the surrounding communities around Dallas such as Highland Park, Irving, Balch Springs, Mesquite, Sunnyvale, and Rowlett. We take pride in being a Dallas-based Chevrolet resource that delivers our customers with helpful and polite staff, excellent support, great customer service reputation. Contact us first if you're seeking a Chevrolet Silverado, or make an appointment for a test spin in your dream Silverado today.